Whoa, okay. You are seriously not going to believe what I've been digging into lately.
Okay.
Seriously, if you're anything like me and you've had those moments looking in the mirror thinking, not another one, then you need to hear this. We are taking a really close look at something called ReviTag today. And
Mm.
honestly, the more I read, the more I'm starting to think this, well, it might actually be a bit of a game changer for getting that smoother, clearer skin we're all after.
Yeah, what really caught my eye with ReviTag is its core focus. It's
Hmm.
not just about treating the surface. We're looking at a product that claims to work deeper down, right, at the skin's foundation, the collagen. And this whole idea that it aims to help those collagen fibers, well, untangle them, basically. That's a pretty interesting angle when you're talking about things like skin tags.
Right. It feels like it's trying to get to the actual source of the problem and the ingredients. Have you seen this list? Colloidal oatmeal, sea buckthorn oil, epicatechin, carrot seed oil. These aren't just, random buzzwords. They're ingredients known, or at least suggested, to support collagen and really help rejuvenate the skin. It feels quite deliberate.
It is interesting, yeah, thinking about how these might actually function on that deeper level.
Hmm.
Sea buckthorn oil, for instance, it's packed with vitamins, fatty acids, things your skin genuinely needs to be healthy, including building blocks for collagen. So while the source doesn't spell out exactly how ReviTag untangles collagen, you can see ingredients known for, well, beneficial skin properties.
Exactly. And they emphasize it's a natural, easy to use formula and get this no stimulants, no GMOs. That just, I don't know, it gives you a bit more peace of mind about what you're actually putting on your skin?
Oh, absolutely. That's a huge point for a lot of people these days. I mean, the market's flooded with products, so having that clear commitment to natural ingredients, avoiding certain additives, that can really make something stand out.
And all the assurances. Proudly made in the United States. Check. FDA approved facility. Check. GMP certified. Check again. 100% natural, non-GMO, and gluten-free. Wow. I mean, that's like a whole checklist ticked off for quality right there. It definitely makes you feel a bit more secure about trying it out.
For sure. Those certifications, they speak volumes about manufacturing standards, about ingredient sourcing. They're pretty important indicators for, product quality and consistency.
Plus, I saw mentions of verified purchase in the material. It suggests like actual people are using this stuff and presumably seeing something happen. That kind of social proof always makes me pause and take notice.
hmm That social proof element can be incredibly persuasive, can it? It sort of suggests that the claims aren't just marketing speak, that users are backing them up.
And then there's the risk-free aspect, a 60-day money-back guarantee. That feels pretty generous. It's almost like they're saying, look, just give it a fair try, and if it doesn't work out for you, no hard feelings.
Mm,
Takes away a lot of the hesitation, doesn't it?
it really does. A guarantee like that often signals the company has strong confidence in its product's effectiveness.
Yeah.
And yeah, it lowers the barrier for entry for consumers thinking about it.
Now, this is neat too. Apparently, you can use it as a daily treatment, or you can just kind of weave it into whatever skincare routine you already have. Sounds like it's designed to be flexible, not some huge, complicated addition.
That flexibility is definitely a plus. Makes it more accessible for different people, different habits.
And just quickly looking at some of the FAQs they provided, like how to use it, what exactly is in it, is it okay for sensitive skin, when might you see results? It seems like they've anticipated the kinds of questions people like us would actually ask.
Yeah, providing that transparency, addressing those common questions right up front, that's usually a good sign. Shows a focus on the consumer experience.
So, okay, if we sort of boil it all down, ReviTag seems to be presenting itself as this natural pathway, targeting skin tags, boosting overall skin vibrancy, but crucially, by focusing on the health of the collagen underneath. It's framed less as a quick cosmetic fix and more about supporting the skin structurally, maybe.
Exactly. That core idea, addressing the underlying collagen structure, that's really what seems to differentiate it in the descriptions we saw.
So for you listening right now, maybe you feel like you've tried almost everything out there for clearer skin. Could this focus on collagen, this sort of foundational approach, be the piece you've been missing? It's definitely got me thinking. Thanks so much for diving into this with us today.
It certainly raises a fascinating point, doesn't it, about the long-term implications of supporting collagen. Beyond just tags, what other downstream benefits might come from focusing on that fundamental aspect of our skin's health?
Hmm.
Something to ponder.